Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Excel for customer data analysis. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis, including customer data analysis. Here are the steps to use Excel for the customer data analysis. So what you're going to do is open up Excel. Then as you can see here, I have already ready data that is needed for this tutorial. And this is the analytics and customer data on our YouTube page. So collect your customer data. This data may include customer demographics, purchase history, website behavior, and any other relevant data you have about your customers. Import your customer data into Excel. You can either copy-paste your data into Excel worksheet or import from external source such as CSV file. So, just gonna show you that I download and import it from the external data. Clean and organize your data. Before you can analyze the data, you need to ensure that it is clean and well organized. Remove and duplicates, correct errors, and ensure that data is in the correct format. Analyze your customer data. Excel provides a wide range of tools for analyzing your data, including pivot tables, charts, and graphs. You can use these tools to identify trends, patterns, and insight into your customer behavior. So we'll just use the pivot and just get the recommended pivot table. And just included what will be needed. And you just need to visualize the data. Once you have analyzed your data, you can use Excel's visualization. So we have this graph. Draw your conclusions. Based on your analysis, draw conclusions about your customers' behavior, preferences, and needs. Use the insights to improve your marketing strategies, product development, and customer service. Update your data. As you collect more customer data, update your Excel worksheet and continue to analyze and visualize your data to gain further insights into your customers' behavior. So by following these steps, you can use Excel to gain valuable insights into your customers' behavior and improve your business strategy. So that's it. That's how you use Excel for customer data analysis. So I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!